Good morning. I'm just drinking my vanilla latte right now. This and breakfast has to be my favorite part of the day. Today I wanted to film a what I eat in a day and what I do in a day to feel my healthiest. I personally believe that feeling and being your healthiest comes from balance. And for me, this balance is balancing many activities throughout the day that make me feel good. This could be movement, this could be having healthy and nutritious meals, this could also be other longevity and wellness rituals that just make me feel really good. Today is Monday. Monday is usually my meal prep day, and meal prepping saves me so much time throughout the week because I always know that I have healthy and nutritious, quick and easy meals ready in the refrigerator whenever I'm hungry. And so I'll usually meal prep breakfast and I'll also meal prep lunch. I don't usually meal prep any dinners because I do love to just have fresh, hot dinner every single night. But by meal prepping breakfast and lunch, it just saves me so much time in the day, and I'm also not doing so many dishes throughout the day. So it's just an amazing and easy little life hack for eating healthy throughout every single meal. Breakfast is probably my favorite meal of the day, and I think it's because you could eat a sweet breakfast, you could also eat a savory breakfast. And so today we're gonna make a fall take on my favorite yogurt bowl. I am obsessed with this breakfast. I basically made a berry compote and I just put in this jar. This is enough for an entire week. And then I also prepped 2 plums. And so I also just have those in a container in the refrigerator. So this will now come together in probably 30 seconds every day this week. And it's so delicious.
Baby. Okay. Boing. A good girl. Okay. Good girl.
This is my favorite flavor of LaCroix, limoncello. I love it so much. For the past few hours, I've just been on the computer getting some work done, and I'm about to make some lunch. I'm getting really hungry. I also signed up for a yoga class at 3:45. I'm so excited to go to this class because I love yoga so much, but recently I just haven't been wanting to go to yoga classes for some reason. I've been doing my runs and then doing strength training, and I feel just between those two things, I'm just I don't want to do yoga, or I don't have the energy to do yoga. But I can feel in my body that I'm so stiff and I'm so sore, and I just truly need it, and I need to go to a class where I can't leave after 5 minutes. I'm not really sure what to even call this salad, but it's a mix of Mexican salad with fruit and also feta cheese and also cashews. But this salad is delicious and it meal preps really well. I have some lentils on the stove right now, and then I just chopped up all of these veggies. So of course we have tomato, cucumber, feta, lime, mango, and mint. So I'm just gonna mix the cucumber, the tomato, and the mint in a separate bowl together and make a little bit of a salsa, because I really want the tomatoes and the cucumbers to have a super minty and fresh flavor. And then I'm gonna squeeze both halves of the lime on here. Just mix this up. I'm also gonna throw some sea salt on this. While I'm at it, I'm just gonna mix a little bit of red onion in this salsa as well. I usually prep this at the beginning of every week because I do use this a lot. This is just a homemade dressing. I'll use it on the salad that I will have for lunch every day. And then a lot of times I'm also using this with like the dinner recipes that I'm making. I'm honestly obsessed with this salad. It's so fresh. I love the mint in it. And then the mango's like an unexpected twist. I honestly don't know why my lentils ended up looking so weird, but they taste totally fine. The rest of it I just put in these little lunch boxes, and I'll have this for lunch throughout the rest of the week. This salad was so good. I am obsessed. I'm having one of those moments where I can't decide if I want to make a coffee or not. It's 2:15 in the afternoon, and I feel like I usually like to have my afternoon coffee at like 1. And so I'm not sure if it's like too late now at this point or if I even need it. I actually don't think I'm gonna make one. I don't wanna chug a coffee right before a yoga class. So I just finished meal prepping lunches and eating lunches, and I wanted to just do a little breath work that I love. I have been in a really bad habit of remembering to do this breath work, and I've talked about this breath work a lot on this channel, but it's Wim Hof. It's 11 minutes. It's on YouTube. It's amazing. And I find that when I'm done doing this, I'm so calm. I'm relaxed. I'm in a different headspace. And so I kind of wanted to like close up my work day by doing this breath work and then going to yoga with like a very fresh mindset. After I got my new phone, I went on TikTok and I saw a video of iOS 26 and I was like, oh my God, I am not organizing my phone correctly. And so basically I went in and I changed my entire phone to basically be like all neutral. And it's actually been a little bit confusing to use my phone, but it's very aesthetic. And I'm really excited to do this to my iPad. It's literally crazy though. Like that's what all the apps look like. But I'm really excited about this. And every time I open my phone, it still does kind of take me a second to be like, whoa, what's going on here?
Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. And let go. All right, 1 minute, breath hold from now on. Be in this moment.
For the last week, I have been loving fall recipes, any recipes that have pumpkin or cinnamon or apple. And so today I'm going to make a pumpkin parmesan pasta dish. I don't know what it is recently about just cinnamon and pumpkin, but it's just putting me in such a cozy vibe. And I've just been literally only wanting to eat food with those flavors. This pasta recipe is super easy. I am gonna cast iron some chicken for protein. This is the pasta that I'm gonna use. I think I'm gonna use all of this. There are really three things that make me feel my best every single day. It's getting a good night of sleep, it's having enough movement throughout the day, and it's having nutritious and healthy meals throughout the day. And so a great day really does start the night before, and I do prioritize all of my wind down rituals, and I do have a separate video for that. I think I'm going to film an updated version very soon though. The main things that I do at night is I try to avoid blue light. I have crazy looking blue light glasses that are like orange. I don't sleep with my phone in the bedroom. I use an alarm clock. And this is also just really helpful because I'm not tempted to scroll at night, and I'm also not tempted to go and scroll first thing in the morning. I try to go to sleep every night at a reasonable time, but not every single day is perfect and not every single day is the same. And I think that's also a really important thing to remember about just trying to be the healthiest version of yourself is not every day is going to be your ideal day or go exactly according to plan. Sometimes life happens and you have to roll with the punches, and it's about just doing what you can to help yourself feel the best. And so I really focus on building routines that I can stick with that aren't too overwhelming or require too much commitment or thought process from myself, so that I can actually stick with them day after day, month after month. So I'm going to end this video here, but thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.